Hi folks, today I'm going to show you my rat-proof feeder. It's about 2 years old and it's used by 5 chickens on a daily basis. Please excuse the mud here in their enclosed run, their secure run. It's been raining for about the past 2 weeks. But as you can see, everything in the feeder is dry. Mine closes pretty nicely every time. And the bungee cord is because we're on a hill here. It just keeps it from tipping over because the birds, as you can see also, like to get on top of it. So we're going to fill it and put some treats inside of it, and you can see the birds using it. Okay, so my daughter's filling it. And it's probably not going to entice them, but now the chickens have been out walking around for a little bit, so not that hungry, but we are enticing them. Oh, just one saw it. Now back up, Gabby, so she opens it herself. Okay. They're in there. Here, they're in here. They're in there. Look, they're in there. Here, Gabby, do it again. She's kind of standing on the side of it. Okay, let me see it. Okay. Look, guys, look what I got. Look. Okay, here they come. Here they come. Look, I'm going to put them in there. You can't wait. Here, oh, watch out. There we go. They're in there. No more. They're in there. Look, they're in there. Can you see them? Oh, now they see.
I see the big.
There we go. Here, can you go in there and, because you got the good shoes on, shoot this way so they don't have that wire in front of it?
Like right here?
No, sweetie, go around the side so you can see it from the side. So as I said, we've had this feeder for about 2 years. Nothing's been replaced on it. The only thing I've had to do is change this wire. This is probably the third one I've got. It's electrical wire, but it works nice because it's flexible and it's easy to adjust. It probably breaks about every 9 months. What do you think? So you can see, it took the chickens, these guys are 3 years old, so we got it when they were like 1 year old, and they probably figured out how to use it in less than a week. We took away the other food that they had, which was in a traditional feeder, and they figured out the food was in there, and that's where they went. Okay, y'all done? They were eating some tasty worms, tasty grub. That's what got them to go in there. And over here, we have your more traditional feeder. That's in my teenagers over here. And you can see they've made quite a mess. Anyway, that's not what the purpose of this is. So, that's my grandpa's feeder. I'm sorry, that's my rat-proof feeder. I love it. It works great. I understand that there's some soft close hinges on it that don't make quite as much noise. And that would be great because I keep the doors open during the day so I can hear everybody free ranging. I hear them eating all day long. shot over here. There we go. There she is, going to town. I think she's the only one who really realized that there were some snacks in there today. We typically bribe them with food just to get them in for the night, or when we need to leave them, or we're leaving and we don't want them out free ranging. Gabby, what are those birds' names? Who are they?
I don't know.
Those are golden comets. And then we got them at the same time. And then here's our Rhode Island red. Oh no, there's the Rhode Island red, the darker one. And here's our barred rock, who I am trying to get some nice grasses growing here, but she has decided that this is her own personal buffet. But I am having luck with the sage. They're kind of leaving that alone. And with the lavender. And I forget what that is. It's not an herb, but they haven't eaten it yet. Maybe that is. That's lemon, I think. And I've got an apple tree here that hopefully I'll get some apples from this year. And even if they don't grow, the birds will have a snack. Is this the...
That one's boring.
I know. The older birds are checking out the newbies here. It's a buck Opington named Cluck Norris. And a Welsummer named Bobby. Donnie. Oops, Donnie. They've been out playing once together. And believe it or not, everybody went for the Welsummer. Wait, what has she got? It's almost time to let these guys all get together. Once we get a little bit of a bigger run. No, don't take them out now. You do have to change the water and give them fresh food. Anyway. Oh, someone's trying to get into the snacks. What are you doing? That's for later. They, believe it or not, love these more than the mealyworms. Don't you? Okay. I hope you got what you wanted. I love my feeder. It works great, and we're able to leave for a short day or two between the automatic opener on my coop, the rat-proof feeder, where we can store about 2 to 3 days worth of food, depending on how many times they get let out, and my water here. Just need some more water. And look! Yay! Breakfast.